Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today I will be doing the very first challenge prompt for this month, that word being boogie. It's time to shake my thing and see what I can create. So coming into this piece, I knew I had to do something that had to do with disco, with the word being boogie. Now, knowing that, I really wanted to think about the colors that I was going to use for this piece, and I decided to go with the silver to kind of resemble the disco ball, and yellow and orange to resemble the lights on the disco room. And doing the paper cutout silhouette, I thought would look a lot better than trying to mask out this shape. And the fun thing with the cutout is I basically had two pieces to work with. After I finished making this piece, I dipped the blank as well to make a contrasting piece. I thought this piece was a fun one and was a really good word choice with the marbling medium that's going along with this month. But I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this last bit, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word boogie. I think these turned out pretty cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!